How to use Google Play gift card on Steam. Unfortunately, Google Play gift cards cannot be directly used on Steam because they are specifically meant for purchases on the Google Play Store. However, there are a few workarounds you can explore. Look for apps or services that allow you to purchase Steam Wallet codes using Google Play credits. Examples include Razer Gold, Gift. Use your Google Play balance in these apps to buy a Steam Wallet code and redeem it on Steam. Sell or trade your Google Play credits for cash or a Steam gift card. You can use platforms like Gameflip, Reddit gift card exchange communities. Certain mobile games or apps let you purchase in-game items or currency using Google Play credits. Some of these may allow converting or transferring items to Steam-supported games. If converting the Google Play balance to Steam isn't possible, consider using it for apps, games, or subscriptions on the Google Play Store. Then, directly buy a Steam Wallet code or fund your Steam account using cash or a credit card. Thanks for watching.